Welcome to Elyria Public Library System Step-by-Step Tech, how to print from an Android phone using PaperCut. My name is Julie and I'm a librarian here at the Elyria Public Library System. Today we're going to walk you through 9 easy steps to print from an Android phone or tablet. Your first step will be to connect to the library's Wi-Fi. From your phone's drop-down menu, tap Wi-Fi and then tap Elyria Public Library to connect. You will then need to go to the Google Play Store and install the Mobility Print app. Step 3 is the Android settings for the app. You'll only do this the very first time you use the app. So from your home screen, you're going to press down on the Mobility Print app to bring up a little menu, and then you're going to tap App Info, which will bring up a screen, and you'll scroll down to Advanced Settings, which says apps that can appear on top, and then you'll allow permission by sliding on the toggle, and this allows the Mobility Print app to work with our printers and on your phone. You can also get to step 1 by going to Settings, Apps and Notifications, see All Apps, and then finding Mobility Print that way. Now you're ready to send a document to the printer. So go to the document you want to print. If it's a PDF, download it first. Tap the 3 little dots in the upper right-hand corner of the document you want to print. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down and tap Print. Now you're going to select a printer. So you'll have a little arrow and you can tap it to select the printer. Elyria Black and White Mobility Print is 10 cents a page. Elyria Color Mobility Print is 50 cents a page. There are also printing options. In this example, if you tap the little arrow or triangle by 2-sided and then tap on long edge, that would help the document print double-sided. You can also print individual pages or change the orientation from portrait to landscape. Once you're done selecting your options, you can tap the printer icon button. Many of you may get permission from your phone or tablet. It will just ask you if it's okay that this document may go through our server. Click OK to continue to the next step. Now you will get a notification that you need to authenticate your print job. So tap the notification and then the PaperCut screen will appear. Your username is your library card number and the password is the last 4 digits of your phone number. You'll then tap Print. If you have any issues with your password, the library staff can help you reset it. And then once the print job has submitted successfully, you'll get a notification that says that the print job has been submitted successfully. Now you're ready to add money at our new pay station. You will scan your library card below the white arrow, hold it down and out a little bit, and then you will hit either cash or credit card and follow the prompts. For cash, the machine takes 1s, 5s, and 10s, but not 20s, and it takes nickels, dimes, and quarters, but not pennies. You can also use credit cards or Google Pay on this pay station. You're now ready to pick up your prints from the printer. You can scan your library card or enter your library card number and password manually. Then you will see a screen with your print jobs. If you tap a print job, it will show you how much it costs. You can then hit print or print all. If you add money once you're already logged into the printer, you will need to hit refresh and then print. If you want to delete a job, you would highlight that job and then hit delete in the lower right-hand corner. You will then get a notification that say your jobs have been scheduled to print, and then they will print out below. Once you're done, you will hit the log out button, and then any change will stay on your library card for future use. Success, you have now printed from your Android phone. Please remember that the library staff is always here to help you if you have any questions or concerns with the PaperCut app. Thanks for watching Step-by-Step Tech today, and remember to come back to the Elyria Public Library YouTube channel for more virtual programming. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.